children, today let us play a game. The game name is Color Color, which color do you choose? It means you will ask me a question. Color Color, which color do you choose? I will say the color name. You have to touch the objects around us. Is it okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, come on, ask me.
Color, color, which color do you choose?
Once again.
Color, color, which color do you choose?
Green. Yes, that is green color. Good. Now you ask me.
Color, color, which color do you choose?
Yellow. Very good, very good. Here also yellow. Here also yellow. There also yellow. Very good. Yes, ask me.
Color, color, which color do you choose?
Blue. Yes, your dress is blue. Yes. Okay, ask me.
Color, color, which color do you choose?
Red. Oh, my dress color is red. Okay, good, good, good. What you are touching? Belt. Okay, fine. Yes, ask me.
Color, color, which color do you choose?
Green. Yes, green color. Here also green. Very good. Yes, ask me now.
Color, color, which color do you choose?
Orange. Very good. Orange color. Yes.
Color, color.
Yes, ask
Color,
me.
color, which color do you choose?
Gray color. Gray color. Yes, this is gray. Hey, this is gray color. Here you see. Gray color. Very good. Good. Yes, ask me.
Color, color, which color do you choose?
White.
Wait.
Where is white?
Ma'am.
White flower.
Ma'am.
White bunting. Yes, good. Okay, good children. Like this, we can continue the game. Did you enjoy the game, children?
Yes, ma'am.